Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. Today also we have got you another video. In this video I will be showing you how you can go ahead and use Midjourney bot on Discord. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's go ahead and step into our video. So if you want to do so, first of all, go ahead, open your browser and type in discord.gg/Midjourney. Now tap on this Discord Midjourney, and then what you will do is simply go ahead, tap on this accept invite. Now confirm. Simply go ahead, tap on the ask pictures, verify, and now this will redirect you to this kind of interface, right? So practically you are here in your Midjourney. So go ahead, tap on this 3 horizontal line. You will have to verify. Go ahead, open your inbox, go ahead, verify your email, tap on this verify email option, and tap on this continue to Discord. Now you will be able to type a message for that. You can go ahead and get the AI version or pictures from here. Go to message box, type in /imagine prompt, and now type in the word, right, and then send this. So yes guys, this is how you can simply do it. I hope this video was helpful, and yeah, thank you so much for watching. I'll be seeing you guys next time.